Walang makapaghihiwalay sa atin sa pag-ibig ng Diyos. Sa makatwid, walang simula, walang wakas. It will be there. Kaya kayo naririto ay pagmamahal natin kay Sixto. Walang wakas, so to say. Kundi hindi rin huling pamamaalam, huling hantungan, kundi simula ng isang bagong katotohanan, no? Para kay Sixto.
Took the get well in cars and stuffed animals. Pulled the old ginger beer down the sink. Dad always told me, don't you cry when you're down. But Mom, there's a tear every time that I blink.
Kaya kung ano man yung kagandahan ng kanyang pagkatao, ay siguradong nag-uumapaw din na pag-ibig na inyong naranasan sa kanya. Because our celebration here is just a taste of what he has now achieved, what he has now fully realized, and what he is now fully enjoying about that glory and the victory of the resurrection that our beloved Sixto is now enjoying.
Fluffed the pillows, made the bed, stacked the chairs.
Naririto tayo upang ihatid siya sa huling hantungan niya sa lupa at masimulan na niya ng lubusan ang kanyang bagong buhay sa tahanan kung saan ang Panginoon mismo ang naghanda para sa ating lahat.
And I hope that I see the world as you did, 'cause I know a life with love is a life that's been lived. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go, and when God takes you back, you'll say hallelujah, you're home.
Na naririto, ang mga nagdadalamhati at narurumbay, at ang lahat ng kanilang nakikiramay ay magsasama-sama nawa sa langit na tahanan. Inalangin natin sila sa buong may kapal.
And I can think of all the times you told me not to touch the light. I never thought.
Mga kapatid, bago na natin iatid sa huling hantungan si Sixto, pagkukulan na natin siya ng huling pamamaalam. Ipapahayag ang pagmamahal sa kanya. Tanggapin ng maluwag sa looban ng kanyang pagpanaw. At umasa tayo magkikitang muli sa piling ni Jesus. Doon ay wala ng dusa, kalungkutan, buhay na walang hanggan.
So I can decide. Leaves will soon grow from the banners of trees. All will be alright in time. From waves overcome come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Cause all of this comes with a love that on until you learn to forgive.
Parang hinahatid lamang natin si Sixto sa isang bagong tahanan na talagang ang Diyos mismo ang naghanda para sa kanya.
You learn to forgive.